everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's start off over here with this wall. Okay, so we have the cobblestone corners, a winter village. Aren't these adorable, guys? They have the mint on the bottom, the peppermint, so there's 3 in the pack. And I like these. Okay, they're 3 in the pack also, and I think some of these are flocked. So that goes all the way to the top. And they even have the white ones, guys. So we do have the cedar picks. Here they are in the gold and the silver. And look at this. This is a metal angel light. I don't think I've seen that before. Here they have the little Santa stakes right there. And I'll show you what else I see. So here we have the acrylic reindeer. You definitely don't want to sleep on those. I love those. And here's the tea lights in green, in silver, gold, green, and red. You have to stock up on these guys. And so those are almost gone. And here are the nutcrackers. Okay. And these, as you can see, are almost gone. So here's like a tea light Santa. And here are, I love the reindeer. These are the area tabletop decorations in the green and black and the red and black. Then you have the window decorations. And here you have the bells and these are all door knockers or hangers, if I said that right. Okay, then here we have the Christmas tree. I like these for like tier trays. They are so nice. And then you have the glitter candles, LED, but they only have the silver. Then here's the big ornaments, guys. So here's the rose gold. And here's, I like this one, the glitter gold and the matte finish in the red. There's blue back here and silver, and that's really nice. Okay, so if you come down here, I'm not sure how much these are, guys, but these are their picks. Let's see how good these are. So they look okay. They're pretty big, I guess. And here it is in silver. So I guess that's okay. Here are the little clips. So these are the picks and these are clips. These are really pretty, like for the Christmas tree. Then here are the silver ones. These are picks. So they're not bad, guys. They're not bad looking for that. I'm not sure how much it is. I'm not seeing a price. I'm gonna say $1.50. All right. So here are the door hangers, and I love the bells and the buffalo check. So these are really pretty as well. And then if you come down here, I'm actually liking these, the nutcracker LED candles. These kind of cute, guys. So this one here is pretty much gone, and the bottom one is still have some left. Somebody, maybe one of these bows fell down. Okay, so these are signs. There's some lanterns. Okay, and here are the bows. This is the velvet bow. Guys, this is a good buy. And there it is in the burgundy up there. And you have the red and the green. Let's just walk around and, okay, so these are the gnome garland. Then you have the bells in red and silver. And these look like wax melts. Yep, this one's open. These are really cute, guys. And here's the Christmas tree ones. So those are really nice. And here's some LED lights. Make sure and read the label, guys, because it'll tell you the color. And I'm kind of liking these bows. Aren't they pretty, like for gifts? So you get 2, I guess, for $1.50. And here is the one with the truck. Okay, and here is the one with the trees. So this looks new to me. And I am absolutely loving the red and black check. There you have the burlap bow on the top. And here is really cute, this one. Then you have the tinsel Christmas trees, and here are the ornaments. All right, so I believe these are the $1.50 ornaments. I'm not sure, because sometimes I'll mix them in. But here is some garlands. And I guess you can get to choose, like this one. Here's a snowman. And And then they have the blue and they have the blue. This one is the snowman. And then this one has the candy canes. And so you have more assortment over there. This is the calendar. And then these are kind of nice. They're pretty big. You can probably DIY with them. And they come in the blue, silver, and gold, and the Merry Christmas. And here are the tinsel trees. Now this is probably not in the right section. This is from the plus section. Aren't these bows cute, guys? So it's just a matter of checking out the price. And here's some more tinsel trees. And they even have the mini lights. So then you have the socks. So they have some cute socks here at the Dollar Tree. You have some wrapping paper, some more garlands, some more signs. So I'm looking for specific signs and specific shape because you can actually add those to wreaths. And actually, look, so they have the nutcrackers and the elf up there. That would be nice. Some more of the big bow ornaments here and some more there. Here you have some stakes for the ground. That's really nice. And these are my favorites. I like the peppermints. So I am liking these signs right here. They look like snow globes. This one says Be Jolly, Winter Wonderland. And then the smaller ones I think would be great for wreaths. Then you have some other hanging stuff, and look, they have the gingerbread guy and some more tinsel garland. Then you have the smaller ornaments for the smaller tree. Let's see, I think these are clips. Yep, these are clips. They're pretty. This one has a bird. This one's pretty. Here's the red bird, and here are the small bulbs for the small tree. They have some more lights. So the LED lights, the gnomes, and here's the red birds. This is a new ornament. Don't remember seeing it, at least where I am, guys. And there's the white bird. So all the way to the top. And then they have that. So I have seen that ornament before. Then they have the little gifts and the drum. These are ornaments for the small tree. And these are kind of cute. So this is ornament decorations. That's cute. These tags. All right, some more LED lights, okay, and some more decorations for the small tree. And these guys used to be bigger, and now they're coming smaller. I don't know if you can tell that in the video. So look at this. So these are kind of nice. I think this one is new. So there's 5 ornaments that come in that one. The Santa is 8 ornaments in that one. Let's see if you come closer. I've seen these before. I don't particularly care for them or how they look. Then you have the snowman, and I like those red and white bulbs with the deer. So the people have ransacked this whole area. Okay, so you have some more ornaments. I like those poinsettias. I really do. So these are clip-ons, and I think these are nice for decorating your Christmas tree, depending on how big it is. And then here, these ornaments here are from the plus section. So you got to check the prices, guys. These are ornament fillers. Here's some more clips. All right, so then you have some more ornaments. So look at this. This is cute. All the way to the top over here. Now, I am liking these ornaments, guys. I like the size of them. This one says Hope. That one says Snow, Noel. I like these. These are nice. I might grab some for DIYing. And the sleighs and some more ornaments here, depending on how you're going with your Christmas tree or what color you're going with. These are really pretty, guys. So you get 2, and these are my favorite right here. You guys know that if you watch my videos. These snowflakes are really nice. I love the wings. I love the snowflakes, and I love these trees. These are really nice. I like these snowflakes versus the other kind of snowflakes. And then you get 2 deer. So you can pretty much decorate your tree depending on what theme you want to go with. And I guess these are the leftover fall. And on this side, you don't have very much Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.